Introducing the new Leica DISTO X1, built tough, designed for efficiency. A bright, easy-to-read display keeps your measurements visible in any environment, with a range of up to 100 meters, perfect for everyday measurement tasks on any construction site. Built for tough conditions, it features durability with IP65 protection and survives drops from 2 meters. The painter function automatically calculates wall surface area. The volume function is vital for accurate material calculations, preventing costly errors on construction sites. Streamline your workflow with NFC technology. Connect your DISTO and transfer data effortlessly. The Leica DISTO Plan app documents and visualizes measurements, simplifying workflows and providing instant access to precise data. Leica DISTO X1. Make measuring easier. Use the original.